Michael Gegzno sent me this neon sign probably over a year ago, or getting on that at this point, and I finally went and hung it up. It didn't go quite as planned. I have a stud finder, but it was from the Acme company, as Wile E. Coyote would have everything he purchased explode or blow him up. It didn't work. But just by knocking on the wall and kind of figuring where it is, I was able to get a good, strong, long nail, or screw rather, into the stud. It came with a chain. I just kind of let the chain hang in here and just made it kind of look pretty like that. But the problem was, it's only hanging by one nail, so it was all wibbly wobbly like that. So very, very carefully, I went and I drilled a small hole and put a drywall screw through the plastic. It is not going anywhere. It is staying right where it is. It's held by the chain nice and tight, and that screw. I put the wire behind it. It is actually very tight. I can't move it like that. And it was just long enough to plug in, so that was actually kind of nice. And for some reason, I think because of the wire going behind it, and you know, I didn't want the wire coming down over here and going at a weird angle and shit. Like, I just, you know, this was really the best option. So it sits kind of wonky over here. You know, I could put another screw in that, but I don't want to flex it or do anything. It's just here, and of course, we can pull the string and turn it on. And of course the string fell off the edge of it there, but there it is, and it's awesome. And as I sit at my computer and YouTube along, that sign is glowing on the wall, and I can see it from where I sit. Totally awesome. How did this all propagate, you may not ask? This sign, as you might expect, is very delicate. These are glass tubes, and any kind of flexing of it or anything, you know, you got to hold it very, very gingerly and be very careful with it. So it ended up living on the table downstairs for a while. It lived right here. But what do we see here? Paint, artist acrylic painting set, and paper, and I don't know where the painting is that she made, but the wife painted another picture sitting right here at this table. And obviously I had to move the sign. I didn't want to keep it on the floor here because you never know. So it was time to hang the sign up. And that started another project, which I'll show you quickly because I'm running steadily out of battery power. This lamp needs something other than LED in it. CFL is fine, and that's what I had in there. I had this CFL, I can't read it right now, whatever the hell it is. If you can read it or pause, I can't see without glasses anymore. So that's that. And I said, no, no more of that. That light was too bright for this table. You could see it's exceptionally bright now. No good. What did I put in? Well, there's only one option in my mind, which is, of course, incandescent. Now, it's under the globe here, so I had to take the globe down, and handy was a 150-watt incandescent bulb. So I put that in. In the house, everywhere where there are incandescent lights, there is a Decora dimmer like this, and I have the style with the switch, which you'll see here is missing. And the slider, this one is stuck, and it doesn't move very nicely in that. The problem was, this is our kitchen light, and the switch itself went bad. I was able to remove the switch from here, and I put a piece of electrical tape over it and potted it in hot glue. So that's what you see there. That's hot glue, just to sort of seal up the hole that was left after I removed the switch. It still would dim and that, but the switch wouldn't make contact. So I took the switch out, soldered it up, and now it'll act as a dimmer, just high or low, you know, or anywhere in between. It's very stiff to control this light. I'm out of battery power, so I gotta run. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.